Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Ganta. Today I'm going to explain about text mining project on Google Play Store apps. And coming to the introduction, I have taken the dataset from the kaggle.com as a project of Google Play Store apps. So the main important reason to take this dataset is like a major topic, and it's really helpful for the people who don't have an in-depth knowledge, and also it gives a clarification of the users or people about the apps available in the Google Play Store. So and the main aim is like the user can get the clarity which app is best based on the requirements. They can easily decide whether to download or not by using this analysis. So coming to the dataset collection. So before cleaning the data, I have 13 columns and 10,842 rows. These attributes like apps, category, rating, reviews, size, installs, price, content, rating, genres, and Android version, etc. The attribute app means name of the app. The category indicates which type of content. Rating gives the details about rating of the app given by the user. Reviews contains review written by the user. So the price attribute indicates the price of the app, and installs attributes means how many members install the app. Last update attribute contains the information about the data when the app has last updated. So whenever the person want to download an app, by looking at this data set, they get the clear idea about the particular app. So coming to the data cleaning, in order to perform, I have deleted a few of the columns which are not required, and the rest of the data was cleaned, and almost 841 rows are reduced in the data set, and finally it has 9,998 rows in the data set, and remaining are the null values. And coming to the goals of the analysis, these all are the questions for the text mining of the Google Play Store apps which I created. So which one having the highest confidence in the data set? What kind of app having the similar support in each data set? What is the lowest amount of the items in a cluster item in the model? What is the average centroid distance of the cluster? These are the questions you can see in coming the slides. These for coming to the association analysis. These analysis is analysis between the attributes of the data sets. Analysis rules or collections of common elements can be used to characterize the discovered relationships. So in this project, I have measured between the support and the confidence of the data. So it is also having the clear result. So you can see in the maximum libraries having the 100%, and also I'll show you the vehicles and libraries having the same amount of the support. This is the final result of the association analysis, and this is a process document from the data. So result for analysis, I can show you like the libraries having the highest confidence, and also the libraries, and also the vehicles having the 0.008 and 0.008 in the 14th and the 8th number, you can see having the same support. And these are the association rules, and the graph. Coming to the clustering. Clustering is a method of grouping similar components into groups. An approach for classifying item is clustering analysis. A cluster is formed by putting homogeneous items together. Objects in one cluster generally related, but those is other cluster aren't. For the analysis, I utilized k-means clustering. The purpose of k-means clustering is to partition data into k groups so that data kinds and sources within a cluster are comparable, while data points in other clusters are widely apart. This is the final result of the clustering, and this is the result of the clustering. I have differentiated the 4. Like I have given the k. K means the value, minimum value is 4, so it has divided like a 4 clusters like 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is the T diagram of the cluster. So for the final results of the cluster is like it's a cluster model, and you can see in my question I have mentioned that which cluster having the lowest item. So the cluster one is having the lowest items, that is 769 items. And also I mentioned the question 4 is that which is the average centroid distance, and this the average centroid distance in the all of the cluster is minus 1.039. So coming to the conclusion, so I concluding that the association analysis and the cluster analysis performed in the text mining of the Google Play Store app, it given the result for the category of the apps and the rating of the apps. So by this, the users who don't have any knowledge regarding the apps, they can get an idea regarding the apps, which app is best. So this makes to get the analysis result easily within short period of time. So this kind of analysis makes to give the full result of the version. And I performed these in the rapid miner. So the results given the highest and lowest support for the app also. So coming to the experience and learning, K-means clustering is all not only used in the rapid miner, and also this algorithm used in the machine learning. So by using the rapid miner, I have learned that we can do analysis on any data set. Only we need to follow the steps and how to drag the process and keep it in the design, and to do the filters and change the attributes, like you can give the single, or you can give you the subset. And by selecting the subset, you need to select the what are the filters attributes you need to give. So you have to give that. So to know the results, connect each and every loop to the connecting by line, and run the program, and you will get the perfect output on end of the point. So this is my whole the project which I have done.